Hi, I'm Ron with Cruising This Old Boat, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the time on your Garmin GPSMap 1243 XSV. Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us, cruising this old boat.
So I never understand whether we're in daylight savings time or not daylight savings time. It's always confusing to me. But it's fall, and so I know we're supposed to fall back. Well, all our clocks fell back except for my Garmin GPS. It's still showing 9:23 p.m. where the time is really 8:23 p.m. The way you correct this is go to the toolbar on the bottom, and in the middle you see the little house, or yours may say home on it. In any event, depress that home button. Then over to the right, you see this little blue gear with the word settings next to it. You're going to press settings. At that point, it brings up a list of menu items on the right hand side of the screen. The second one down is preferences, and you're going to press preferences. You get another menu selection. The top one is units, and that's the one you want, so press units, and you get yet another menu selection. The bottom one on that is time, and you're going to press time. On this last menu selection, you see the bottom one is daylight savings time, and it's currently toggled on. Because my time is an hour ahead, it didn't fall back to what it should be. What I want to do is deselect daylight savings time, so I'm going to press that button. It gives you choice of off or on, and I want it to be off. You see that it is now indicating off on daylight savings time. You can go ahead and close out of the screen, and you see that my time is now 8:26 p.m. which is what it should be. And so that's how you correct for a daylight savings time error. You can't actually change the time, so if you wanted it to be something else like 8:29, you can't do that on the Garmin GPSMap 1243 series. It gets its time from whatever source it's getting its GPS from. And so generally that's some sort of satellite communication, and the satellite tells your chart plotter what time it is. So you have no choice in that. You can't change it. The only thing you can do is alter it if it's off because of daylight savings time, or whatever we're in when we're not in daylight savings time. So that's how you correct the problem.